Welcome back to another video. I thought I would do a voiceover for the first half of this video because I know there is so much to catch up on. I have collected about 3 months worth of footage and I'm going to try and cram it all into one video for you while I update you. First things first, we have moved homes yet again. I think we have moved consecutively every single year for the last 3 years, and it isn't by choice. With the hopes of being able to settle into a home for a longer period of time, it was hard for us to accept the fact that we were moving. But all in all, at the end of the day, God is good and He has provided every step of the way for us. I can't tell you how much I believe in God's perfect timing, because what feels like chaos at the time, with a bit of hindsight and perspective, you find that all things work together for good. Dave had just started a new job. We were in the middle of trying to find a new place to move into, and we also didn't have a car that was working. We were without a proper functioning car for about 12 months. So every day felt like anxiousness, if I'm being honest. We had a car that was working, but it basically did the job of taking the kids to school and coming back home. That was the extent of our trips because this car just couldn't go. We had issues with the battery, we had issues with the engine, we had issues with it overheating, and at the end of the day, we ended up having to get rid of that car, which was quite hard for us, but also having to find a rental car. We were initially paying something like $315 a week for the car, which wasn't too bad when you work out how much a car is to buy and the weekly payments for that. But it ended up costing us $780 a week. So we were also scrambling to find a new car amongst Dave finding and starting a new job and packing a home to then move into a new home. All in all, 3 months has gone so quick, so much has happened, but there is also so much relief. But I hope you enjoy this video. Another day, another bag packed, ready to go. Make him a little lunch pack. So he has something to eat when we get to drop off. Do you need help? Chocolate milk. You think you need chocolate milk? Show me that. Give me that look you just gave me.
Chocolate milk. Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah.
Chippy.
Huh?
Chippy.
Chippy? You ate them all. I got rudely interrupted because Dave called me, but we've had our first sample. The Hershey's, where is it? There. The Hershey's. What did you think of yours?
Yum. Oh,
Yeah.
just tasted like normal chocolate.
Like normal chocolate. What did you have? The peanut butter one. Was it good? Alright, sample number 2. Pizza bases. What do you think?
Yummy.
Yummy? It is good? Okay, that's saying something because he doesn't really like pizza. So I'm going to try it and see how it goes.
Okay.
Pizza base was good. This is the pizza base we tried. What did you say, Dave?
I see someone. I see someone.
I found a car that's for my size. Sample. Raisin toast. The sample is honey. Australian made. Try it. What did you think? Did you like it? Did you rate it?
Yeah. What is Rate me.
He rates it. Observations so far since we're in an aisle that's not busy.
Ow.
People look at other people's trolleys to see what others have in the hopes that they too can have some. Like the aisles, it's so overwhelming to see so much stuff. So looking at trolleys, like a smaller quantity of things, make it easier for people to see.
That is true.
Told ya. What we say goes. Observation 678. People don't know how to drive in Costco. Like they just linger in these massive aisles, and everyone's trying to maneuver around everybody else.
Yeah.
My camera.
Slow. You don't draw, you just let it do the thing. Now push it once.
Yeah. Sorry. Maybe. Good morning. I thought I would pull out the camera and do like a daily vlog today of what my life is like without my husband, because he's going away for a few days. So 3 days. I feel like I'm handling my emotions pretty well so far. So we'll see where we get to by the end of the day. I feel like I'll be alright because the kids, there's a lot to do with the kids. Like it just keeps your mind off it. But don't forget to text me every minute of the day, David.
Oh no.
He knows. Anyway, we're doing a quick call into Coles because even though there's a lot in the fridge, there's apparently nothing in the fridge that he wants for breakfast. So I'm just gonna go do that. There's so much in the fridge. Like there's so much you could eat. You just don't want to eat any of it.
Can't eat the vast expanses of space that is left in the fridge.
Ugh.
You better go get actual food.
All right. Just keep driving.
Get the color thing.
Oh, so cute. All right, Dave has gone. Unfortunately, we were following his car the whole way till the exit, and Gabe saw the car drive in a different direction and just started screaming. Darling, you alright? You miss Daddy already? Yeah, he's not really happy about it. Baby, you alright? You okay? Just documenting our day for Daddy. Oh, don't you love how he's looking straight at the camera? Love you. Give me a kiss. You want to cuddle Daddy? Oh, we'll cuddle him soon, okay? We'll call him soon. Yeah? Managed to bribe him with a baby chino, so now I don't have to hold him the entire time. I know. Find some clothes for Daddy too? Yeah. Got your leaf blower. starting to feel a little bit like sad. Dave texted and he had said he was boarding the plane, and that was earlier this afternoon, and it kind of just hit me like, oh, he's not here. But I still feel like emotionally I still feel okay. So to all the ladies who aren't into their husbands traveling, it's not a normal thing, by the way. Can I just say, like, this isn't the norm, and it shouldn't be normalized to have fathers and husbands work away. Granted, the he's only away for a couple of days, but FIFO workers, stop. FIFO workers, it's just not okay.
Okay.
No. Oh, it had a little Joey too. Good morning. We are day 2 of husband being away. I did not record much of the afternoon. I had a bit of a moment. So I just figured it's just best if that wasn't on camera. Anyway, it's a fresh new day. We started the morning pretty slow. For the first time in I reckon 2 years, I went to bed after 12 a.m. I went to bed at 1:30, and it's because I really needed to clean the floors. I got to school and met up with a mum from the school, and now we're going for juice. So I'm gonna take you with me, obviously, to go have juice. Yep, that's what we're doing. Juice. Standard or mega? Just standard. Alright guys, I'm checking in because I have not checked in. We're home. Kids have been bathed and showered. Just make sure they have clothes on. We have book week tomorrow, so we've got a pirate and a Spider-Man. Zeke's one, Gabe's one. Take it off, please. They didn't have a sword at Kmart, and Zeke is
Angry.
brilliant at the ideas and said, why don't we use a 3D pen, which I don't see why that wouldn't work. We're going to see how that goes. Anyway, I have nothing else to say other than there are kids just everywhere.
And Spider-Man sailor.
Bye.
Hi.
No, I said bye.
Hi. See.
Alright, Zeke, this is your little advertisement. What are we selling?
These beautiful.
Yeah? And how much are you selling them for?
$5.
$5. Alright. Well, if there's anyone that wants to buy one of these, $5 a pop. He's sitting down here diligently, waiting for people to come buy stuff. But I told him it's a Sunday, and people like to go out and do things on a Sunday.
I'm trying.